It's time for Zulu, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, T5 the Traveler with Becky the Trekkie. And we're gonna go on this extreme flat ride. There are no restraints. It's just gravity that holds you in. It's the legendary Zulu. All right, join us for the ride. This is the Enterprise style, actually. Yeah, this is an Enterprise ride, but they've themed it Zulu here at Worlds of Fun. So we'll see you on the ride. We're gonna ride separate.
Seat 6?
I'm in seat 6. Yeah.
Probably gonna have to leave that.
Okay. Seat 6 for me. Becky's over there in 16. I don't think I've ever been in one of these, everybody. So, a little bit nervous, not sure what to do. Just in this cage, and they just kind of shut it, I think, and clip you in. Then hold on for the ride. Power of veto sign with like the little X, half X, you know, kind of like that with like a cut through in the middle. And the flat rides are really, really good here. If you like your flat rides, oh, here we go. This is a great park. This is the Enterprise style, and let's see how we do here, everybody. Oh boy, what did I get myself into? Oh geez. Okay. Oh wait. Whoa. What's this dipping business? It's dips ya as it goes. Oh. Yeah. Oh mercy. We're doing full inversion rolls right now. Oh, and it's a stomach dropper. Woo! Oh man. Oh man. Count them up, everybody. I have no idea. 6 or 7. Number 8, maybe. Okay. Like we're on a rough space landing here. Gentle lifts of hydraulic oil in the air. Woo! We're pulling a couple of G's. She's settling in. I have no idea how many times this thing spins. More than once. Oh boy. Am I green? Am I okay? We're still spinning. And yeah, just long enough. Just long enough. Woo! I gotta say, that's like a 5 out of 5 on intensity level there. If you're queasy, I don't know that this is the one. I'm not a queasy one lately today, but oh man, that one right there. Oh, whew. I think we're okay. All right. We'll get out here. We'll see how Becky's doing. Me personally, I don't mind sitting here just a hot minute. catch your breath. So all in all, it's got this like a whine that it makes, like this whirring, whirring. And then what it does is when you hear that whine, it's really pushing you like in the downward swing position, and then it just flips you right over your feet, straight up over your head. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, let's see if I can walk. Okay, I'm up on my feet. I'm moving. I'm shuffling them. There's Becky. I can see her. Let's just see what she has to say. Zulu, not for the faint of heart, let me tell you. That was a heck of a ride. I'll remember that one. That goes right into the memory book banks. We didn't eat a lot today, so I'm okay. But that thing really, I mean, flips you. I'm going to say 9, 10 inversions. And then you've got the centrifugal G-forces going there. And it's not a short ride. That's a long one there. I had plenty. I'm not doing double, I can tell you that. But what'd you think all in all, though?
It had some speed there. It definitely picks up. A little bit leery there when we're doing like the full rotation. I don't know, like my car was like really shaky. The one in front I was paying attention to, but yeah, I've definitely never been on a type of ride like this before. So
yeah, I noticed the shaking. Like I just tried to sit like dead calm still and just kind of just go with it, you know. But just be prepared for that stomach tumble, and that definitely goes on in that ride. But anyway, thanks for joining us on this one. We'll see you soon on the next ride, and thanks for subscribing. Bye, everybody.